Hello guys, you're welcome back. So in today's class we are going to look at logarithmic functions. Logarithmic functions. So we're going to look at logarithmic functions. So we have some examples here on the board where you have been asked to find the values of y in these equations. So let's come to a point where we write solutions. Solution. So you have been asked if log of 25 to the base y, to the base 5 is equals to y. Find the value of y. So let's take the number 1. We have been asked to find the value of y. So here we use this product rule. We use the product rule, which states that if log of a to the base n is equals to b, if log of a to the base n is equals to b, implies a is equals to n to the power b. So this is what we are going to use to solve the first problem, or to solve all these problems. So this is what we are going to use. Yeah. Therefore, yeah. So this is what we are going to use to solve this problem. So in problem number 1, we are going to say if log, number 1, we say the log of 25 to the base 5 is equals to y, implies we now say 25 is equals to 5 to the power y. So here we apply the laws of indices. 25 is the same as 5 times 5. So we now put it that 25 is the same as 5 times 5, which is still the same as 5 to the power 2. So implies this one now, 5 to the power 2 will now be equal to 5 to the power y. Here we have common basis. So we equilibrate. So here we have common basis, then we equilibrate the powers, implies y is equals to 2. Yeah, our y here in number 1 is equal to 2. And in number 2, what do we have here? We have here the log of 1 to the base 3 is equals to y, implies our 1 is equals to 3 to the power y. Our 1 is equals to 3 to the power y. But what is 1? We know that 1, for example, in the laws of indices, anything raised to the power 0 is equals to 1. So in this case, in order for us to have common basis, we will now say 1 is the same as 3 raised to the power 0, which is equal to 3 raised to the power y. Implies in this case, y is equals to 0. So this is our y in this one. So let's solve the next one. Let's solve the number 3. So please, if you know you have any doubts here, pause the video and do a follow-up and see if you will understand it again. So let's go to number 3. So number 3, we have here the log 1 on 8 to the base 2 is equals to y. So in this case, we will now write this one. We will now say this is identically equal to 1 on 8 equals to 2 to the power y. And 1 on 8 is the same as 8 to the minus 1, which is the same as 2 times 2 times 2 to the power minus 1. And 2 times 2 times 2 is the same as 2 to the power 3 to the minus 1. And this one is the same as 2 to the power minus 3. In this case, we will now say, common basis, we will now say 2 to the power minus 3 is the same as 2 to the y. Common basis therefore means we equilibrate the power. So it implies y is equals to minus 3. I hope this is clear, but if it's not clear, please pause the video and follow it step by step again. So hope you have fun with this. Please do not only watch and go. Help us share this video. In order for you to support us, help us like the video. Also drop us your comments. After you drop us your comment, don't go away. Share the video. Let it get to someone out there who need that help. As you do so, may God bless you. Thank you and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.